What if I told you that a mysterious satellite has been orbiting Earth for thousands of years? Long before modern technology ever existed, scientists believe it could be over 13,000 years old. But here's the shocking part. No one truly knows what it is. Could it be alien technology? Or a forgotten secret from Earth's hidden past? This is the legend of the Black Knight satellite, an object that defies explanation, challenges science, and fuels one of the greatest space mysteries of all time. For decades, strange signals, photographs, and eyewitness reports have hinted at an unidentified object orbiting Earth in near-polar orbit. Its shape is irregular, its origin unknown, and its purpose terrifyingly unclear. The media calls it the Black Knight, a name fitting for a silent guardian, or a silent invader. From Nikola Tesla's experiments in 1899 to NASA's photographs in the 1990s, the Black Knight satellite has haunted scientists and truth-seekers alike. Some claim it's a hoax. Others believe it's evidence of extraterrestrial surveillance. And if the legends are true, it may have been watching us long before we ever looked to the skies. Early clues. Tesla's signals. The story begins in 1899. Inventor Nikola Tesla was conducting experiments in Colorado Springs, trying to detect radio signals. Suddenly, he picked up strange, repeating pulses. He became convinced they were not from Earth. At the time, nobody believed him. Scientists said it was just interference. But Tesla insisted these were intelligent signals from somewhere beyond our world. Later researchers suggested that Tesla might have picked up transmissions from the Black Knight. If true, it means this object wasn't just orbiting silently. It was communicating. Ham radio operators and strange signals. By the 1920s and 1930s, amateur radio operators across the globe began to report similar mysterious signals. They described them as long-delay echoes, radio messages bouncing back seconds later, in unnatural patterns. Some suggested these signals were reflections from the moon, but others whispered a darker possibility. The signals were being intercepted and rebroadcast by something orbiting Earth. Could it have been the Black Knight? Was it acting as a cosmic relay station, silently recording and repeating our words back to us? The 1954 news shock. The first time the world truly heard about the Black Knight was in 1954, when newspapers across the United States reported that the Air Force had detected not one, but two mysterious satellites orbiting Earth. This was years before humanity launched its first Sputnik in 1957. The reports shocked the public. How could satellites already be in orbit when no nation on Earth had the capability? The government quickly dismissed the claims, calling them errors. But conspiracy theorists saw through it. They believed these were the Black Knight satellites, watching, waiting, hidden in plain sight. NASA's photographs. In 1998, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour were tasked with a mission to deliver equipment to the International Space Station. But during their mission, cameras captured something unusual: a large, dark object orbiting Earth. The photos quickly spread online, showing a strange angular structure, unlike any known spacecraft. NASA explained it away as thermal insulation that had accidentally drifted off the shuttle. But to many, the photos looked nothing like insulation. They looked like a satellite, ancient, massive, and menacing. This was the moment the legend of the Black Knight reached a new generation. Theories. What is the Black Knight? 1. A piece of space junk. NASA maintains the Black Knight is nothing more than debris. Maybe a lost panel, maybe insulation, just floating endlessly in orbit. But skeptics argue the object's unusual orbit and longevity suggest otherwise. 2. An extraterrestrial probe. Some believe the Black Knight is an alien probe, left here thousands of years ago to monitor humanity. Its orbit, near polar, allows it to cover the entire Earth as it passes overhead. If an alien race wanted to watch us, this would be the perfect position. 3. An ancient human artifact. Another theory suggests the Black Knight might not be alien at all. Instead, it could be a remnant of an advanced ancient human civilization, one lost to time. After all, myths from across the world speak of powerful civilizations wiped away by catastrophe. Could they have mastered space travel long before we did? 4. Evidence of time itself. There's even a stranger idea that the Black Knight is not a machine but a time anomaly, a fragment of technology displaced from the future or past. A piece of a timeline we don't yet understand. Chilling possibility. And here's where the story grows darker. Some researchers claim that the Black Knight has already influenced our history, that its signals guided early inventors, nudged humanity toward technology, and maybe even warned us against certain paths. Others believe it is silent now, simply watching, waiting for the right moment to reveal its true purpose. So what is the Black Knight satellite? A piece of junk, a government cover-up, an alien probe, or the last remnant of a forgotten civilization? Perhaps we'll never know. But one thing is certain, every night above us in the silent void of space, something is watching. And maybe, just maybe, it has been here longer than us. If you found this mystery fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the truth is always stranger than fiction, and the Black Knight might just be proof of that.